Hi, my magnificent chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare a swordfish steak with shallots, garlic, and tomato sauce. What I used to prepare this dish was a nice swordfish steak, chopped fresh tomato, white wine, minced garlic, shallots, olive oil, plus good old salt and pepper. I didn't follow a recipe for this. I was trying to experiment with a new sauce. So feel free to switch things up. After all, this is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. Begin by adding olive oil to a frying pan, then add in the swordfish. This isn't necessarily the recommended method for seasoning fish, but I was trying something new. Here I am using the swordfish to spread the oil around the pan, at the same time coating the fish with the oil. Then hit it with the pepper. I like to use fresh cracked pepper. Plus, this is what I had on hand at the time. Then, hit it with the salt. This is a pretty thick cut filet, about an inch, so I cook it for about 8 minutes and then flip it and cook for another 8 minutes on the other side. Now that it's been flipped, I season it with the pepper and salt again. I never seasoned it on both sides before adding it to the pan. The first side didn't get proper browning, so I flip it one more time just to add a little bit more olive oil and get a little bit of nice caramelization on that first side, now that I feel that the filet has been cooked properly. After the fish has been browned on both sides, remove and set aside so we can build the sauce. Add minced shallots to the pan, and then the minced garlic, and give them a good stir. Next, we deglaze the pan with white wine, being sure to scrape up all that delicious fond we developed in the bottom of the pan. Use a pair of tongs or a wooden spoon and scrape it up all around as the wine cooks down a little bit and the alcohol cooks off. Once the wine is reduced, maybe about a minute or so, slide in the chopped tomato. Fresh is best, but canned isn't bad either. I'm partial to New Jersey tomatoes, but San Marzano from Italy are arguably the best on the planet. Then hit it with some more salt and pepper. Stir it around as the tomatoes cook down a little bit to your liking. I'm looking for partially cooked, still firm tomatoes, but you can reduce this down to a liquidy sauce if you prefer it that way. Once it's been cooked through, pour the sauce over the swordfish, tuck in, and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve it? Is there anything you do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm truly grateful for all the love and support you all have shown me. You are all so very kind. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!